If you are annoying ads constantly when appearing on your Android phone, while browsing, or inside apps, and sometimes they are the one which make your phone fracturing many times when you are browsing. Now in this video, I'm going to show you 4 safe and easy ways to block ads on your Android phone without damaging your device. And make sure you stay until the end and follow me step by step, because the last method is one of the easiest and most effective for everyone. Now, let's get started.
Method 1. Use private DNS. This is the first method of blocking ads. This is one of the best ways to reduce ads on Android without installing any extra app. Now, here is how you can do this. First, open your phone's settings, as now here, and you will scroll to find for wireless connection. Now, choose wireless connection. On some phones, you may see network and internet. You will choose it instead of connection for some Androids. Next, choose for private DNS here. Choose private DNS provider hostname, or for other Androids, it is written as designated private DNS. Now, type dns.adguard.com. Then, press Save. This method helps block many apps and websites automatically. And the best part is, it's free and easy to use. However, keep in mind that some apps like YouTube may still show ads.
Method 2. Use a browser with built-in ad blocker. Now, this is the second method, which also you can use to block ads. Instead of using a normal browser, use a browser that already has an ad blocker built in. For example, Brave browser or Opera browser. These browsers can block many annoying ads automatically while browsing. They also help pages load faster and improve privacy. To use them, simply visit Play Store and search for Opera browser. Download it and install it, and start browsing normally. Most ads will disappear automatically. This is a very safe method to block ads while browsing. Lock Method 3. Turn off ad personalization. Now here's the third method, which can help you to block ads in your Android. Your phone tracks your activity to show personalized ads, but you can reduce this tracking by following these simple steps. Open Settings in your Android, as shown here. Scroll down to search for Google. Then open Ads. Now choose Delete Advertising ID or opt out of ad personalization. This won't remove all ads completely, but it can reduce targeted ads and improve privacy. Method 4. Remove suspicious apps. Now, let's talk about the fourth method and the last method. Sometimes annoying ads come from bad apps installed on your phone, especially fake cleaner apps, flashlight apps, or random apps downloaded outside the Play Store. If you suddenly start seeing pop-up ads everywhere, there's a high chance one app is causing it. Go to Settings, open App Management, then select App List. Look for suspicious apps you rarely use. Then uninstall them. This can instantly stop annoying pop-up ads on your phone. Bonus warning. One important thing. Avoid downloading cracked ad blockers or modified APK files from random websites. Some of them contain malware or spyware that can steal your information. Always use safe and trusted methods.
So those were 4 safe and easy ways to block annoying ads on Android. Try these methods and let me know in the comments which one worked best for you. And if this video helped you, make sure you like the video, subscribe to Skill Nova Digital, and turn on notifications so you never miss new tech tips and smartphone tutorials. We post helpful Android tricks, hidden settings, security tips, and many more useful tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.